So here's what's going on the week of December 1st, and this is a big one because we are leading up to the rate cut announcement coming up on December 11th. So everything that's happening this week is basically positioning us ahead of that. So economic data is going to be important this week, and just watching the overall market sentiment. Tech slowed down last week a bit and volume thinned out because it's holidays, and honestly people are just nervous. So this week's job data and inflation reports are going to tell us if Powell's finally pulling the trigger on cuts or if he drags it out another month. So we are going to see some hints possibly in that data. So it might be a little choppy, especially in the small cap space. But first, I'm watching the indexes, SPY and QQQ. They're right near support. So if buyers step in on dips, then this could be a good sign that, everyone's a little bit more bullish. But you really want to protect your capital this week because it's very uncertain headed into next week and just how we've been going the last few months. So AI and semiconductors are also what I'm watching because they're still very important and they run the market and a lot of the tech sector. So NVDA, TSM, PLTR, I'm looking for clean breakouts because these can flip quick, especially with the rate cut anticipation. So I'm going to be watching those closely. And BURU, I haven't talked about this one in a while, so it is actually moving a bit today. So if you're still holding from before, good time to watch. I don't know if you've already averaged down. I have several times, so I probably just wait this one out. But it's one of those small cap potential catalyst driven names that can absolutely take off on the right volume. So watch for this one to take off. Watch pre-market volume build up the next few days and look for higher lows forming. Don't chase it though. Don't make the mistake that I'm also watching gold and silver and manufacturing, all the AI data center build out companies tied to the construction side, the infrastructure, all of that. And manufacturing companies like Eaton, ETN are ones to watch. I'm actually going to do a video on that one this afternoon, so stay tuned for that. But stay patient, stay smart this week, protect your capital, and just watch those supports. And I'll probably be short-term, like day swing trading this week due to the uncertainty of what's happening going into next week, but we will see.